Hi, I'm Megan Nielsen, and today I want to show you a little trick that my mum taught me for how to get the most out of your expensive lipstick when it has gotten to the very bottom nub and there's no way of possibly getting it out. This is my favorite lipstick. It's the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, and I like this, 012 Rosewood is my favorite. I basically use this until I kind of can't get anything out of it. So today I thought I would show you a trick that my mum showed me for how to get every last scrap of lipstick out of the bottom of your lipstick. Let's do it. Okay, let's gather our supplies. The first thing you're going to need are your lipsticks. These are my two that I have worn down to the bottom. You're also going to need some sort of a little jar. Please make sure it's a glass jar, that's really important. My mum actually saves these cute little jars for me specifically for this purpose, and I really like this one with the kind of fluted edge. So we've got our jar, and then you're also going to need something to scrape the lipstick out of the container with. This is just a kebab skewer that has a pointy edge, so I kind of like it. And this is just a little craft pop stick that my daughter drew a love heart on, which I think is cute. The amazing thing about this is how simple it is. So the first thing you're going to do is literally just open your lipstick, and then you're just going to start scraping out your lipstick. You know what, I'm going to start with this one because I just feel bad using the pop stick. Okay, so get that there. And I'm literally just scraping as much as I can out of here. I like this kebab stick because the edges are a little bit like serrated on the inside here, I guess, to hold the lipstick in place, and I feel like I can get between the gaps. So just do this until you get kind of everything out that you can get out, and when you've done that, you move on to the next lipstick. Okay, so once you have reached the point where you have gotten everything out, oh, I'm so messy now, you have two choices. If you can handle it, you know, emotionally, you can leave this jar as is and use your lipstick from here, but I like to do the next step, which is we now take this to the microwave and we microwave it in kind of like 10 to 20 second bursts until it is all melted into a smooth layer at the bottom. So let's do that. So now you have your little delightful jar of your favorite lipstick that you can continue to use with a little makeup brush. I think it's really cute. Put it in your kit. You can continue to add to it as you get to the bottom of more of your lipsticks and kind of build it up. Something fun that my mum does that I haven't tried yet because I actually just wear the one color because I guess I'm just really basic like that. But my mum likes to take colors and mix them and make her own custom colors in her little jars, which I just think is really fun. So I really hope you enjoy that. Please go forth, make yourself lipsticks, waste no expensive lipstick, and have a great week. Till next time, I'm Megan Nielsen. See you then.